we are headed to Ruby Falls and we're really excited and we're going to take you guys with us. So let's get ready. Let's go. These donuts look so good.
Hey Ziggy, I'm gonna get the vanilla cream filled.
We're about to go in and it's gonna be really cool, so I'm really excited.
Hey guys, we're under the mountain, like we're underground. Like you can see all the rocks. 250 feet deep. 260. This is so cool, but it's so cold out here.
I've been a rich kid. It's like, do you know the position? Z-Gang, it's the bacon. See? Like, it looks like bacon. We're about to see the legendary Ruby Falls. I'm so excited. Zay, you're super excited. It's going to be very, very, very big and beautiful.
Ruby Falls was awesome, guys. Leave a smiley emoji if you thought it was awesome.
Yeah, because it is very beautiful. Like, very beautiful. We took lots of and that's the stage.
You can
tell potato. Like, you can tell this is a potato. Z-Gang. Zay and my dad love Ruby Falls.
Yeah,
Me and my mom did too. And it was really fun.
awesome, not fun. It was awesome and fun. It was
awesome. Alright, Z-Gang. We're done with Ruby Falls and we're either going to go to Rock City or the Underground Railway next. So see ya!
Bye.